That's a really good no-wall build, and it's windy too.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, no problem.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Sir?
Sure, you're just trying to get an AC is what you're trying to do.
Well, that too, maybe. Anyway, what's your name real quick and what's in here?
My name's Jamie. We got 2 Nightshade 15s on 2 DC 5Ks.
Nice. You built this?
Yeah, I did.
Very nice. Is there a way I can see the back?
I mean, yeah. Just open that door, lean the seat forward.
Okay.
Oh, you're talking about the back?
Both. Yeah.
I can't get to the back.
It's
I got suction cups on the back.
Really? Wow, I like that. Oh, so you stop the flex so you have more pressure.
Yeah, kind of. It doesn't really, it helps, but it doesn't stop.
Yes, sir. Is it a slotted port or air port in the back?
It's slotted.
Slot port?
Yeah. 32 hertz.
Okay. Looks very nice. Everybody give it a like. I do a lot of YouTube videos. Jacob,
Yeah, I've watched all your videos.
You do?
Man.
Okay.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, Jamie.
Yeah, no problem.
Really good demo. Wow.
Let's get ready to get all changed though.
Oh, you're changing it up again?
Yeah, I'm gonna wall it, do a 6.
6th order. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we have of Jamie's system. He was at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina showcasing this system. Pretty low-end bass response from these subs. Really big box. At first, I thought they were 18-inch subs by the illusion of the size of the cubic space of this box, but they're 15-inch subwoofers. And I thought it was pretty unique to see that he had suction cups actually holding on his back glass, kind of pulling it in so it was reinforced, so it didn't flex as much, but still got some good outside flex. These subs are rated at 3,000 watts RMS conservatively, the Nightshades, and I like the way he has his whole amplifier and battery bank right behind his back seats. So he has a central area for all of his electrical and a really well-rounded box layout. So subs up, port backs, definitely optimal in this size vehicle. And of course, he did take out his back seats, it looked like, so he got the job done. And rail reinforced roof to box bracing. I'm sure that helped a lot with having battling the subwoofer box actually vibrating. You're going to see there wasn't very much flex from the box, but a lot of flex from the subs. I kind of wish I would have saw what the actual port looked like for the port area, but I didn't. But that makes a total of 10,000 watts on 2 15-inch subs. Really loud, low bass demo we're getting to now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on for daily videos coming your way every day on Jacob Vile, and enjoy this impressive 4-minute demo.
It's just a no-no. This place. All clothes, we ain't giving promo, no. It's just a no-no. This place. It's just a no-no. This place.
Wow. It's a really good no-wall building. And it's windy too.
Yeah.
Did a good job.
Appreciate it, man.
Is there a way I can see the back?
I mean, yeah. Just open that door, lean the seat forward.
Okay.
Oh, you talking about the back?
Both. Yeah.
I can't get to the back.
It's
I got
closed in?
I got suction cups on the back.
Really? Wow, I like that. Oh, so you stop the flex so you have more pressure.
Yeah, kind of. It doesn't really. It helps, but it doesn't stop.
Yes, sir. Is it a slotted port or air port in the back?
It's slotted.
Slot port?
Yeah. 32 hertz.
Okay. Looks very nice. What was your name?
Jamie.
Jamie. Thank you for the demo, Jamie.
Yeah, buddy.
Everybody give it a like. I do a lot of YouTube videos. Jacob
Yeah, I've
Vile.
watched all your videos.
You do?
Man.
Okay.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, Jamie.
Yeah, no problem.
Really good demo. Wow.
Let's get ready to get all changed though.
Oh, you're changing it up again?
Yeah, I'm gonna wall it, do a 6.
Sixth order. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, have a good day, James.
Too buddy.
Thank you, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.